making a volcano.
The ingredients are flour, salt, water.
So this is Mount Mayon, and we've been making the volcano today. This is the recipe and how. This way, when you don't have a rolling pin, when you don't have a rolling pin, use your bottle. Works very good somehow. So this is how we made our volcano and how we shaped it. Our final shape of the volcano.
Is that the second one?
Mount Mayon or Mayon volcano is an active stratovolcano in the
Mount Mayon last erupted in 18 September 2014.
Mount Mayon has the most perfect cone in the world, formed by lava from past eruptions.